This is how to navigate the app once you've downloaded the app from Play Store, because it is not available on App Store, only Play Store for now. You come over to the app, click on it. Once you've downloaded, you need to register an account, right? This is how to create an account. It will automatically log you in to see the interface of the app. But for you to get started, you will need to log in using your email address. So go over to me. Come over to this me that you see over here. Click on me. It will ask you to go to login. Click on go login and log in with either Google or Facebook or anything that you feel like is more convenient for you. So we'll go with Google login. You click on Google login. Then you choose the email you want to register with. Let's say I'm registering with this one. You click on agree and share because you want it to share access to whatever, and then log you in. They will ask you to create a username and choose whether you're a man or a woman. So this is the username I'll be going for. You can equally change your avatar from here by uploading a picture. That is the meaning of avatar. You come over here. If you're female, you click on female. If you are male, you choose male. So your invitational code, I'm going to be dropping it on the description of this video. Please copy it and paste. Make sure you copy it and paste, okay? Then you click on this register and register an account. It automatically logs you in, okay? Now this is it. Let's log in again. It might log you out and log you in again because you just registered. It happened to me. So when you see something like that, no need to panic. No need to panic. So this is how the interface of the app looks like. They're going to give you a spin, 2 spins. Now you click on it. They're going to give you coins and they're going to give you some dollars. Now the dollars, for you to redeem it, you will need to be inviting people to use the app. So they just gave me $6.6 right now. So I'm claiming it already. And that is it. Now after registration, there's something we call streamer verification. You need to do your streamer verification and phone verification. But the first one you need to do is your phone verification to allow you to withdraw money from the app. Now you come over here and paste your mobile number, get the verification code and verify it. The next one is to go to this streamer verification. Click on streamer verification and do your mobile authentication and also complete the login password. This one is for you to set login passwords to your account. After doing it, you will need to join agency. You can just come over here and click apply to join contracted guide and paste in the agency ID you want to join. This is the space to paste in the agency ID you want to join. Once you paste it, you search for the agency and join the agency. And note, on this app, for you to do tax, you will need to be sitting on your agency's panel. So make sure you join an agency that you can sit to it and complete your tax. I will always be available on this app 247 because I'm going to be logging it in on my work phone that I'll be using to work on the app. So from morning till night, I'm always on my panel for you to come and complete tax. That is if you want to join the agency, because I will not go through the stress of after joining agency you will be requesting to leave. No, I will not do that. So if you want to know more about the app and how to complete tax on the app, I'm going to be uploading a next video on how you are going to do that. Okay, please also make sure you upload a profile picture and use the agency logo, which is star, melon and star. This is the agency logo. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you what it looks like. You click on this edit, you see where your nickname is. Put in this logo, star, melon and star. That is for us to identify each other. In case you want to do exchange or do anything on the app, you can join your agency member and do it, or come to your agency party and do it. Now if your agency is on the seat, let's say on her party panel, this is how it looks like. If you come over here, that is where you see it. But right now they're asking me to certify, so I'll log in with my normal account and show you what it looks like. Hold on. I'm on my panel. This is where I'll click to go on live on my panel. If I'm on my panel, this is how it will look like. Okay, this is how it's going to look like. I'll click on start voice chat. Now you guys can now join and sit on this panel. So I was actually talking there, but I didn't know that they mute my mic because I'm already on party. So if you're on party, this is how it will look like, and you have to sit on the seat to complete your tax. So I'll be online 247 on this app to help you complete tax. I'll have to get a new phone, a work phone that I will use to be on the app active every now and then, so that you can be able to complete your tax. That is basically it. On my next video, I'm going to be teaching you how to play games, to gift yourself, and so many other things that you need to know concerning the application, because I don't want this one to be too long. So this is it now. This is my tax center and what it looks like. Can you see? I'm going to be receiving this now because I've started inviting people already. Can you see? They're giving me 2,000 diamonds right now for me to go, because I invited 3 persons already on the app. Now this is if you complete this daily task, they're going to give you a total of 10,000 diamonds. Now these are the other tasks, but I'm going to be doing it on the next video. I don't want this video to be consuming now to open it. Remember, I am an agent, so my own might look totally different from yours. Now for the invitation reward, this is your invitation and where you can find your reward. Now I've not been able to get to this $10 because mine always expires before I get the amount of people required from me. Currently now it is at 88% and $1.12 is needed for me to withdraw this $10. And now see, they are giving 0.01, let's go to calculator, 0.01 per person that you invite. So let's check how much person I need to get $1.2 and withdraw that money times 100 people. It's even giving me $1 times 120 people. So I need 120 people to register under me to complete this $10 and withdraw. So you see, it is a bit very hard for people to withdraw because most people have been asking me questions like, how many persons am I to invite to withdraw? I've invited 5 persons, I've invited 10 persons, but I cannot withdraw yet. But you see my record. Can you see? I got to 9.87 and it expired. I got to 9.87 here again and it expired, and this one is currently on progress, which means I have invited more than 100 persons on this app. I've invited more than 200 persons on this app. I'm telling you the truth. We are yet to withdraw, but that doesn't mean that there are people that have not withdrawn. My upper agents have withdrawn, so there's nothing to worry about. The only thing that I found out is that it is difficult to get to the withdrawal threshold because of the time limit they gave and how many persons you need to invite before you can get to the threshold and withdraw. Now if you successfully get to the threshold, come to this invitation. This is where you're going to see your balance. Then click on balance withdrawal and confirm it. Okay, now for the tax center, we've talked about the number one way to earn, which is invitation. Now we'll go for the tax center, how you earn from tax. Now this is the daily tax. Up mic on agency leader room for 3 hours, you're going to get 1,000 diamond. Up mic on agency leader room 2 hours, you're going to get 1,000 plus 1,000 making it 2,000 diamond. Up mic on agency leader room for 1 hour, you're going to get 800 diamond, making it 2,800 diamond. Random PK, if you win 5 times, you're going to get 5,000 diamonds, making it 7,800 diamonds. If you invite 2 friends, you're going to get 2,000 diamonds. Sorry, my baby is not feeling fine too, making it a total of 9,800 diamonds, almost 10,000 diamonds. Can you see? If you complete this whole task, you're getting 10,000 diamonds. Now, if you exchange this 10,000 diamonds with someone, you see the app is still giving you coins to meet up with your target. If you exchange it, you're getting a total of $1 from the app every single day just from tax. Because if you exchange 10,000 coins, the app is going to give you 7,000 Anet and MAST. I don't know what they are calling it, but let's just call it diamond, and you can withdraw it. Let me show you. You can see how much I have here, 8,500 coins of my wallet. If you exchange it, they're going to give you 7,000 Anet, which you can withdraw. Can you see? This one is the one that has withdraw. This one is just coins, I think, for playing games, and this one is diamonds. And it is diamonds you can exchange and get Anet. So this one is for monthly tax. If you live broadcast for 25 days in a month, they are going to give you 10,000 diamonds. If you're slightly famous, they are going to give you up to 1,000 times. They are going to give you 1,000 diamonds. If you post your first video, they are going to give you 50 diamonds. Hold on. So let's say, for instance, that you don't want to meet up with the target policy. You are earning $1 from this app every single day, not as a newbie, forever. So imagine you just be doing your tax every day for 30 days. That's like you making $30 already, and it's not too hard because this one you're not even showing your face, you are just doing tax. Now the third way is by win reward. That means if you're on party like this, let me open my party. Remember, if I should open this party now, they will mute my mic. So if we're on party like this and we are playing games, the app will be giving us extra reward. If you throw a great gift on yourself, the app will give you extra reward. That is how good this app is. That is that one for room game reward. Now the last one, which is target policy. Let me get the policy and explain it. So guys, this is the policy. Now for here, this is the amounts they require from you. These ones here are the amounts they require from you to make in a week, and they're going to give you this one. This one you see here as host bonus. Now this one is the time requirement. Now if you can see from this level here, there are no more time requirements. You don't need to do any hours again before they give you this reward for these ones. Now for the smaller ones, if in a week you earn 21,000 amist and do 10 hours in a week, they're going to give you extra $1. If you do, okay, this one is if you do less than 21,000 diamonds and do 10 hours in a week, they're going to give you $1. If you do 21,000, which is $3 in a week, and do 10 hours, they're going to give you $1.1. If you do $6 in a week, which is 42,000 MS, and do 10 hours, they're going to give you $1.4 extra. If you do 84,000 MS and do 10 hours in a week, they're going to give you $2.8 extra. If you do $16, you don't need any time requirements again. They're going to give you $3.5, which means you don't even need to stream again on the app if you can do up to $16. But for people that want to stream, the app will give you another extra $1 for just doing your hours, and also give you this bonus here, and also give you room reward if people play games on your panel, and also give you $1 reward from the task you will do if you complete the task. So you see, these are how you can earn money from the app. I'm also going to be posting the procedure. This video is already 10 minutes long, so let's end it here, and you can ask me your questions on the WhatsApp group or on the comment section, and I'll make a video about it. See you guys. Bye.